go, guys. House wash. 2-story home. Window looks pretty dirty. Look at that. Gutter on top. Pretty dirty. Nice little entry. Guys, with any TX pressure washing, we do a quick survey, record our video, the before and after. Look at that, we can make that look good right there. Definitely need some house washing, so I'll hook up my boy, make sure he's taken care of, get this place looking nice and clean. We also clean those. Oh yeah. A lot of algae buildup on the side of the house. Let's see what we got here. Trash bins. Oh yeah. Definitely could use some house washing. Guys, if your home looks like this, algae, buildup, trash, spider webs, cobwebs, all that, man, just holler at me. Any TX pressure washing.